Oh my God, Lurch is dangerous with these things. All right, so we have got Popeye's bike on the lift. We are doing a cam install on this and oil pump. And yeah, we're ready. We already cut the front ones, but we just wanted to show you guys because it's fun. And we're basically got this front push rods to base center. And the rear one here to what, Lurch? Overlap. And so these, no pressure on these bad boys. And yeah, we show you how to do all this in our video. But Lurch here in a moment is going to commence cutting. Makes you feel like a man. Get a mean look on your face, Lurch, like you're pissed. All right, take revenge on Popeye by cutting stuff out of his bike. Oh yeah, go for it. Get that bad boy, get some. Oh yeah, nice. Get that out of there, get that out of there. Make you feel like a man, Lurch?
Hell yeah.